How can we add a drop shadow effect in Canva? First, select the object that you want to add the shadow to. You should see this quick edit bar at the very top of your page now. Click the edit button on the left here, and then search for effects, FX. So scroll a bit down just below filters. You can see your effects. You can scroll them to the right, to the left, and the very first one should be shadows. If you click on that, you will notice that now we are in the none mode, so no shadow is attached, and we can change it to a drop shadow. Here it is. If you scroll even lower here, you can change the shadow amount, you can change the angle, so shadow can go to the top, to the bottom, distance, how far away from the object the shadow will be, color of the shadow, and how black it is, you can say, how dark it is. So again, just click on the object, edit, and search for effects. The first one on the list is for shadows, and there's option for a drop shadow. There are also other shadows around if you want to play with them. So feel free to experiment a bit, and don't forget to scroll down for more control, like the angle, amount of the shadow, distance from the object, and all of that is here. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.